Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Easy Concepts. So today I'm going to teach you a trick, and the trick is to upload any post on the Instagram channel using laptop or desktop. So I created this channel today, but the thing that I found here is I was not able to see any plus button here that we generally see in mobile to upload the post or any video or any stories, right? So I was facing a lot of problem because I need to upload anything that I have in my desktop to this Instagram channel. If I refresh this page, still I don't have any plus sign to upload any post or stories on my channel. So what we can do here, you can press Ctrl Shift I in your browser, or if you don't want to do this, you can just right click here, press on inspect, and here you can see a small icon. It is saying toggle device toolbar. So right now you have a desktop view. When you click on this, you get a mobile view, but still you can see there is no plus sign to upload this, right? From the Instagram point of view, let me tell you one thing, that they have disabled this so that you are not able to upload any post from the desktop, but you can do so from the mobile, right? I don't know why they have done so, but most probably the reason is they want to promote the uses of smartphones or mobiles, or maybe they are aware that most of the people take videos and photos from the mobile, so they can upload it directly from that device. But sometimes we need a desktop. Maybe we are creating some content and we want to upload that using a desktop. So we should have a system so that we can do so. There might be other ways, but let me tell you this way. If you have a few posts to upload, you can use this trick. You can select one of these devices. I have selected iPhone 6, 7, 8 Plus. You can select Moto G4, Nexus 5 on and any one of these, right? And once you have selected, still you are not getting any plus sign here, but let me refresh it, and you can see once you refresh it, you are getting plus sign here. Now if you want to upload any photo, you have to just click on this plus sign, and then you will get an option. I have browsed it and got this photo. Now I can click next, and let me put a caption here, programmer's tree. This post I created just to show you demo of this thing, and now I will, let me put some hashtags here, and I will tag my account here, and I think we are done now. Let me share the post. It is sharing it. Now this post is shared from the mobile, although I have used my desktop system to do this, but it is still a mobile view. I will close this. Now we are again back on desktop mode, and now you can see this is uploaded here, right? So I hope you will like this video and like this trick. Please do not forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.